Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how your Cash App can go negative and how to fix it. Also, later in this video I'll show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, it is important to understand that Cash App is linked to your bank account or debit card. When you send money, make a purchase, or withdraw funds, the app tries to use the money available in your account. If there is not enough money, your balance can go negative. One common reason is pending transactions. Sometimes you send money or make a payment that has not fully processed. Cash App may temporarily show the funds as spent, even if your bank has not cleared the transaction yet. This can make your balance appear negative. Another reason is overdraft protection. If you have connected a bank account with overdraft, Cash App may allow a small negative balance to complete a transaction. This helps avoid declined payments, but it results in a negative balance until you deposit money to cover it. Fraud or unauthorized transactions can also cause a negative balance. If someone uses your Cash App account without your permission, your balance may go below zero. In this case, you should contact Cash App support immediately to report the issue. Fees and chargebacks can contribute too. If you receive a payment and later it is reversed or refunded, Cash App will deduct that money from your account. This can push your balance into the negative if you have already spent the funds. To fix a negative balance, you simply need to add funds to your Cash App account. You can transfer money from your bank, add a debit card, or receive payments from other users. Once your account is back in positive, all transactions will continue normally. To avoid negative balances in the future, always check your available balance before sending money or making purchases. Keep track of pending transactions and avoid spending money you do not have. That's how your Cash App can go negative in 2026 and what you can do to fix it. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tutorials. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.